Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to take Magic C and change C into cursive letter D.
Cursive Magic C letters, lowercase d.
I'm going to change C into D. Magic C. Bump the line. Up like a helicopter. Up higher. Slide down. Bump. Travel away.
Okay, now it's your turn. So you're going to make Magic C up like a helicopter and keep going higher, slide back down, bump, and travel away. Go ahead and practice tracing and writing lowercase letter d.
Magic C letters, cursive lowercase d.
Magic C, C for A, D, and G, and Magic C, C for A, D, and G, and Magic C, C for A, D, and G, and before you're through, do O and Q, and Magic C.
Writing cursive D is all about connections. Make sure you have your handwriting book and pencil. Let's get ready. Now, as you know, Magic C can change into a printed D, but it can also change into a cursive D. Now, before we write anything at all, let's trace the steps for D with your finger. Ready? Get that finger ready so we can trace. Let's do the first step. Magic C. Great. Now let's put step 1 and step 2 together. So get that finger ready. Magic C up like a helicopter. Now let's move on to the third step. Let's put steps 1, 2, and 3 together. Magic C up like a helicopter, up higher. Now let's finish that D up, okay? So let's go on to the next step, and we're going to finish it all together. Magic C, up like a helicopter, up higher, back down, bump, travel away. Now that we've traced the D, it's time for us to write cursive D. Now I want you to watch me first. It's my turn, okay? So watch me. I'm going to start on the dot that's already given to you. We're going to make a Magic C. We're going to go up like a helicopter. We're going to go up higher, come back down, bump the line, and travel away. Great. You can see you've got another D there for your example. Why don't you go on ahead and why don't you give it a try? So now it's your turn. Did you start correctly? Did you travel on the line? If you did, then go on ahead and place a check mark in the box. Just like that. Awesome. Now, let's write some cursive connections with D and other Magic C letters. Watch me write DC. Okay, here we go. I'm going to make my Magic C letter D, going up like a helicopter, coming back down, and watch, I'm going to make certain that I travel on the line to connect my C. Now it's your turn. Give it a try. Now, watch me make the letters A, D there. I'm going to connect those two letters. So again, A is a Magic C letter. So watch, I'm going to make certain that I make a nice little C here. I'm going to go up like a helicopter. I'm going to bump that line. I'm going to come back down, bump. But watch me travel away so that I can connect my Magic C letter D. Great, go up like a helicopter. I'm going to come back down and travel away. Now it's your turn. Now watch me write the word CAD, C-A-D. So again, I'm going to start with that C here. I'm going to go up and over, come back down. Notice that I'm going to travel on that line to make my Magic C letter D, which we've been practicing. and make sure I travel away. Now it's your turn. Now watch me write the last word here, dad. Again, it has 2 D's, which we've been practicing, so we should be all set. Now remember, I'm going to make a magic C first. I'm going to go up like a helicopter, come back down, bump. I'm going to travel on the line, make my A, travel on the line, to make my D. I'm going to travel away. Now it's your turn. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to copy these words again. And after you've gotten to that final word, dad, check to see if you've connected those letters correctly. If you have, I want you to also ask, did you travel on the line? If you did all of those things, then I want you to place a check mark in the box.
All right, it is your turn. You are going to go ahead and you are going to practice copying the models. And when you're done, do the check mark. When you are done with page 10, you are going to look over here at page 11. When you're ready to move on to page 11, I want you to go ahead and re-click the video button so that you can begin page 11.
Air writing, cursive lowercase d. Pencils, pencils in the air, pencils, pencils everywhere. Follow me and then you'll see how to write letters correctly. Cursive lowercase letter D. Magic C bumps the line, up like a helicopter, up higher. Slide down, bump, travel away. All right, boys and girls, pick up your pencils, pencils in the air. Magic C bumps the line, up like a helicopter, up higher. Slide down, bump, travel away. Great job!
All right, you are going to practice connecting more words, or I should say more letters into words. You're going to practice doing the DA, the CD, DAD, AD, and CAD. When you're done, you are going to upload workbook page number 11. And down at the bottom, I almost forgot, we are going to write lowercase a next to capital A, and we are going to write lowercase d next to capital D, and lowercase c next to capital C. Then you will upload.